Part 2 of recruitment. Our applicant Chidi Okeke has applied for the field officer role. We move them through the pipeline and, if they are the right fit, hire them. We open the applicant to see their full profile. Their CV is attached, so HR can preview it right here, no download needed. Now we move them through the pipeline. First to screening, with a note on why. Then to interview, again with a note so the history is clear. Then to offer, again with a note so the history is clear. HR can also log interview notes on the applicant's activity timeline. The applicant accepts, so we hire them. We set their position, place them in the programs department, which also sets their reporting line, and pick a start date. This creates their staff record in one step. And that is recruitment end-to-end, a vacancy, a pipeline of applicants, a CV preview, the stages with notes, and a one-click hire that adds the new employee straight into staff.